Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in front of us today we do have the CMF Buds by Nothing. I do know that the new CMF Buds Pro 2 came out. However, this is CMF's cheapest earbuds and they do offer some pretty cool features for the price they go for. So getting the price out of the way, this does go for $35 for the black variant. However, if you do go for the orange or the white version that I have right here, it is going to be $39. So it is up to you which one you decide. I did go with the white earbuds right here. I know it's a little overexposed, but these are what I got. Taking a look at the packaging, very nice and simple. CMF by Nothing. We do have a picture of the earbuds. It does say Buds. And then on the left side, it does say CMF by Nothing. We do get some information on the right side. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but it does say that it does have 42 decibels of active noise canceling. It does have a 12.4 millimeter driver. And then we do get a pretty long battery, which I will go ahead and tell you in a bit. Opening these up, all we have to do is pull from the bottom. And here is a look at our earbuds. So they are inside of this paper-like pouch. We do have the small and large ones on the box right here, and then we also do have the mediums pre-applied on the earbuds, which is how it usually goes. All right, so other than the ear tips, let's see if we get anything else. We do get a user guide right here, but we do not get a charging cable. That is actually really weird. Usually they give like a pretty useless charging cable anyways, but it would have been nice to see a charging cable. It's like a USB-C to USB-A or a USB-C to C. And again, they are usually pretty tiny. However, we don't have a pair in here, and that might be because of the pricing on this. But we are here to talk about the main attraction, which are going to be the buds. So opening these up and sliding them out, here is a look at the CMF Buds. So again, this actually has a pretty similar design to the CMF Phone 1. As you can see, we do have that circular thing right there. But again, if we do go ahead and open it up, here's a look at our earbuds. So closing this up and actually taking a look at the box we have, we do get the CMF logo, which you probably can't really see. We do get this gray circular thing, which you can actually turn and place a lanyard. As you can see right there, you can place a lanyard in there, but I won't be placing one, so I'll just go ahead and flip it around. On the bottom, we don't really get anything else. And on the right side, we do get our USB-C charging port plus a pairing button right there. So if it doesn't automatically pop up, you do go ahead and hold that. We do have an LED indicator up front right here. And once again, if we do open it up, inside we do have our earbuds, which are looking very nice and clean. All right, so once you open it up, it should automatically find the device on your phones. So let's go ahead and see. And as you can see, it does see that my buds are there, but we will go ahead and move this to the side for a second before connecting. I do want to take a closer look at the earbuds. Once again, we do have our right and left. These do look very similar to AirPods, except for the stem. It's a little different design, but again, for $35 or $39 for these ones right here, you are getting a pretty premium feeling earbud. So these earbuds, once again, do feel very premium. The silicone tips, they do feel nice. They are not the most high quality silicone tips, but again, they do feel very good. Inside, we do get this plastic piece. I guess this is to keep them from scratching or something, if I can take it out. Boom. And other than that, it does say CMF by Nothing on the left side, top left side, but again, very nice and premium looking. So once again, for the price, you are getting some pretty nice earbuds. All right, so connecting is fairly easy. All you have to do is click connect, and then it does say setup device. It is starting the setup now, and now it is connected. So we do get this pretty cool feature. It does say new voice AI enabling seamless interaction with ChatGPT as a custom voice AI while on the move. So I will actually go ahead and try this. And now here is a look at our earbuds. So this is going to be the interface, very nice and clean looking. Once again, this is the same interface you do get with your Nothing earbuds as well, and I do love it very much. We can also switch to dark mode, as you can see, and it does look very good. And we also do have a firmware update, which I will do later. So once again, this is a nice little look at the app layout. We do have our earbuds. This will change depending on the color you get them. Once again, I do have the white ones, so it is going to pop up as the white earbuds. We do get some information, so 100%, 100%, and 100% for the left and right earbuds, and then also the case. We do get some controls. So for example, we do have our equalizer, which you can either choose from the ones that have already been optimized, or you can make a custom one. You can change the mid, the treble, the bass, but again, I will go ahead and stay on the classic one. And then if we do go back, we do have our controls. So this is for the left earbud, and then if you do click the right one, you can change that as well. So a lot of customizability, which is super nice. That is something I actually noticed with the Buds 3 from Samsung. That is something they are missing this year. All right, so the controls are fairly classic. Double tap to skip forward, answer and hang calls, triple tap for going back, tap and hold for noise controls, double tap and hold, no action. So we can actually add an action to that. You can do volume up, volume down, or voice AI, you can choose. I'll probably do volume up for one of them and then volume down for the other one, just to be able to do that. Tap and hold. We do have our noise control. It'll only do noise cancellation and transparency. This is actually something I am really loving. With other earbuds, unfortunately, it usually goes through all three modes. It goes to transparency, noise cancelling, and then off, but I would rather just have transparency and noise cancellation. I usually never use it with off, but if you do want to save some battery, which you probably don't need to with these because they do have a pretty long life, you could go ahead and use off. Or we can choose voice AI. And then for triple tap, skip back, skip forward, voice AI, no extra action, decline incoming call, and then double tap, you do get these same settings. So you can change it for both the earbuds to have custom controls for both of them. So when you do click the noise control button, you are able to just automatically control how everything works. It is currently on off. And then if we do click the ultra bass, we can turn it on and bring up the bass. So I will actually have to test that out to see how that actually functions. Other than that, we don't really get much else. So we do have this low lag mode, which basically if you do turn it on, it brings down the lag. And so it also brings down the sound quality just a tad bit. But again, if you do want a seamless connection, you can actually turn that on. We also do have our in-ear detection settings, obviously, which all earbuds have now. And so overall, a pretty decent app and some pretty decent earbuds. Talking about the battery life on these, we do get 35.5 hours of total playback, and then we can also get 6.5 hours with a 10-minute charge, which is super nice. We also do get our dual device connection, which you can also find in the settings. So basically you can connect to two devices at once, and you can choose which one it connects to at a time. And then we do get Bluetooth 5.3, and we also do get IP54 of water resistance. So it's not the best, but again, it is still very good. All right, so finally, before ending this video off, I do want to place these in my ear and actually kind of test how the noise cancellation works. I do have some AC running in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I can hear it perfectly. And so I want to see how well the noise cancellation actually cuts it off. All right, so right now it is on off and I can hear myself. I can't really hear the AC much. The earbuds do feel pretty decently. However, the left side is sliding out just a tad bit. I might have to switch the sizes for the ear tips. Usually I do go with medium, but for some reason with these, it's kind of sliding out. But again, once you do switch the ear tips, that should be perfectly fine. Other than that, they do feel very nice and premium in the hand. The touch controls I will have to test out, but for my first impressions, they do feel really well. So I do want to switch to transparency now. And now this is in the transparency mode. So honestly, I can hear myself. My voice doesn't sound very natural, but again, I can still hear some of the AC sound. It's actually being a little transparent. However, it is not the best. And moving on to noise cancellation, let's go ahead and see. This is actually pretty decent. So when I'm talking, I can still hear myself, but again, I can't really hear anything else around me. So I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet for a second. And honestly, that is going to be some decent noise canceling. So overall, for my first impressions, these are some pretty good earbuds. I will have to listen to some music with these, watch some videos with these. But again, for $40, you probably can't get anything better than this. So that will basically wrap it up for this video. As always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you do want to check out these pair of earbuds, I will have a link in the description. So see y'all in the next one.